Okay, let's look at 11. This is the problem with the 4s in it. They're asking us about anything that's in the number range of 10 to 99. And they want to figure out what's the probability of certain numbers falling within this range. And we know probability is the number of times something happens. The number of times something happens, let's call that A, over the number of times something could happen, let's call that B. In this case, we know that the probability for all these answers is going to be out of however many numbers fall between here. In this case, there's 90 numbers between 10 and 99, so we know that whatever our answer is going to be, it's going to be over 90. And it's going to be about the matter of figuring out how many times something happens in each of these answers, and then we just put it over 90 and simplify it down if we can. So the first question is, what's the probability of something happening within the tens place, I believe it is. So the tens place, this is the hundreds, this is the tens, this is the units, and then there's the decimal point 0. So the tens place is going to be here. That's going to be whatever falls within our 40s is going to be something that we can put in A as an occurrence of A in this example. In this case, we're looking at anything in the 40s, so 40 through 49, that's going to be 10 numbers. So for the answer A, we can just put in 10 over 90, and we can simplify that down really easily. The zeros just cancel, and you get 1 over 9. So that's going to be the answer for A. The second one combines the tens and the units. So it's going to be everything in the 40s, the 10 we just put there, plus anytime a 4 shows up in the units place. We know that the 40s are 10, so we know that there's already going to be at least 10 up top here, plus however many times it happens in the units, minus the 1, because we already know that 44 is included in this 10. So it's going to be however many times there's a 4 that shows up in the units place minus 1. In this case, since there's nothing below 10, we can take out 4. And between 10 and 99, there's going to be 9 occurrences of that happening. But since we have the 44 included, it's 9 minus 1, so that's 8. So it's going to be the 10 that we already had plus 8 more. So you're at 18 over 90, and these are both factors of 9. So this is going to simplify all the way down to 2, and this should be 10. Because you can divide both those by 9. And then I can simplify this down one further because these are both even numbers, so I can divide by 2 and I get 1/5. Now the last question is asking you, what's the probability that none of this happens? For that, it's just every other possible occurrence. So if there's a 1 out of 5 chance of it occurring, that means there's going to be a 4 out of 5 chance of it not occurring, because it's all those other possible occurrences that didn't happen. So there's 4 possible occurrences, or there's 5 possible occurrences. One of them is happening, so that means the other 4 are not happening, and that's the answer we're looking for. So the answer for C would be 4 out of 5. Let me know if none of that makes sense. Okay.